Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting hard facts so you can act. First, inventory all domain labels, zone files, registrar records, and delegated subdomains. This gives you a map. Once done, gather access credentials for registrars, DNS providers, and hosting panels, and export zone data where possible. Make sure to note TTLs and name server entries because they affect propagation and rollback speed. By starting with concrete exports and access, you avoid guessing and can execute the next consolidation steps confidently. You now perform the complex middle work. Choose a single authoritative DNS for the consolidated domain and schedule a migration window to reduce risk. Export each fragmented zone and merge records into a canonical zone, resolving conflicting A, CNAME, and MX entries by priority and testing in a staging environment. Once merged, prepare updated NS, SOA serials, and any glue records. Keep TTLs low for the final switch. Make sure to verify dependencies like reverse DNS and DS records. You finish by cutting over and validating everything end-to-end. Update the registrar NS records to point at the consolidated authoritative servers, then monitor propagation with dig and live application tests. Watch for failed MX deliveries or broken CNAME chains. Once stable, raise TTLs back to production values and remove legacy delegations. If problems occur, revert to the old name servers and use the pre-planned rollback. One key troubleshooting tip: if records fail after queued over, immediately check for duplicate or conflicting NS records at the registrar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.